of solo wireless controller systems vary with the wireless push button. This will push button and the wireless receiver. At first, you can connect the terminal of the push button. We can connect the east direction, pedestrian 10 is PE0, EPE1, and corresponding the yellow line and green line. Please connect the two lines with the list port, the black line with the comma line, and the red line was connect with the 08. For list port, please connect the red line with the positive and the black line with the negative, and also connect with the power supply. Red line the positive and the black line with the negative. The push button with the two-piece line also need to connect with the power supply or battery, and the brown line connect with the positive, and the blue line connect with the negative. So this was the complete stage. Controller systems vary with the wireless receiver. Wireless receiver connect with the power supply. Power supply connect with the push button.